Welcome to another video, guys. How are you all? I hope all are good. Guys, in this video of today we will know about this viral reel as you seen in the preview. If you want to edit this stand, keep watching this video and let's start. Guys, to edit this stand you need CapCut application. If you want the tutorial for it, that how to download the CapCut APK, so link given on the description, you can watch it. Okay, but guys, before using or download CapCut you need another application which is Turbo VPN. This app easily find on your Play Store, so first install that app and connect it like this. Okay, and if you want to know about how to install and connect the VPN, you can watch the tutorial, that link also given on my description. Now know about how many photos do you need to edit this stand. So guys, you need 9 photos, and to import the photos, click on the new project on here and select the 9 photos from your phone library. Okay guys, you have to select like this and have to add from here. Okay, you have seen, you have to take like this and select the photos format of 9.16. Then guys, adjust your all photos like this. Now guys, you will add the music on here. Music link given on my Telegram channel, and Telegram link is given on the description. So guys, first download the reel video. After that you have to click on the add audio option, then click the extracted option on here and select that reel which you have downloaded from Telegram. Then click on the import sound only option and music will be added. Then guys, you will add the beat mark on music. To add the beat mark, click on the music timeline and click the match cut option. Okay, and add the beat marks like this. Okay guys, you have seen how to add the beat marks on here. Now guys, have to done from here. Then guys, we will trim the photos according to beat mark. So guys, first I trim the photos. After that I will tell you the photo durations because I can't listen music to you due to copyright issues. Okay. Now guys, first you delete the CapCut watermark from here and let them know about photo durations. So guys, note the photo durations from given on the screen. Now guys, you will apply the animations on your photos. To apply the animation, click on your first photo and click the animation option. Okay, here you will get 3 options. You have to click the combo option. Okay, here you will get pendulum 1 and pendulum 2 animations. You have to select the pendulum 1 animation. Now guys, click the second photo and click again on animation, and here you will get in animation. Click on this option and select the rock vertical animation. In this way guys, you have to apply the same animation of rock vertical on the other next 2 photos. Then guys, click on your fifth photo and apply the pendulum 2 animation as you applied on your first photo. Now guys, again you will apply the rock vertical animation on your next 3 photos. Then apply the pendulum 1 animation on your last photo. Okay guys, you have to do like this sequentially and your video will be perfect. Now guys, your video is completed. Now you can save this video. To save this video, click on the forward option from top right corner. And in this way guys, you can make this video very easily. So guys, how you like this video? If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want trending videos notifications. So guys, see you in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.